Okay, problem 32 on the midterm, Algebra 1. You have, the key to this problem is finding the intersection and then graphing it. To graph them, we'll talk about that in a minute. But to just find the intersection, it's super easy. Okay? I need to make sure that two of the variables are the same. Either the two y's or the two x's. Now in this case, these two y's are the same, and there's only one of them, and they're equal to the equation. Right? So this y equals this, and this y equals that. That means that these two have to equal each other, because these are both y. Does that make sense? Let me rewrite it, so hopefully it'll make a little bit better sense. 2x plus 4 equals y, right? But y is equal to 4x plus 10, right? So all that's saying is that 2x plus 4 is equal to 4x plus 10. That's it. That's all that's saying. Bam. They both equal y, so they have to equal each other. Does that make sense? This is called substitution. I'm just substituting this in for y. Okay? Now, this is what we did on the first 2 pages. That's all we did. Get the x's together, right? I have 2 x's, I need 1 x, then I can solve, right? I can't start solving until I have just 1 x. So I need to move the lowest x. Remember, transition. Move lowest x. Which one's lower, 2 or 4? 2. Okay? By doing the opposite, OPP. What's opposite of 2x? Minus 2x. What I do to one side, I do to the other. 4 equals 2x plus 10. Now I can solve. Now I can SAD-MEP. Subtraction, addition from left to right. So whatever is adding, I do the opposite. To both sides. Minus 6 equals 2x. Okay? SAD-MEPs. SD. Division, multiplication. 2x was the opposite of 2 times. 2 divide. Okay, negative 3 equals x. I have an x. Now you substitute it and you have a y. Y equals 2 times x plus 4, right? But your x is negative 3. This is the very first problem on your test. Substitution, right? R, remember? R, you had to put in R and something else, some other letter. R and K, right? Just substitution, that's all it is. This is negative 6 plus 4. Negative 2. Okay, now, that means that you have an intersection. That's what that symbol means. Intersection. You're intersecting 2 lines. Here's a line and here's a line. And they meet where the y and the x are the same. So the x is negative 3 and the y is negative 2. And then I ask you to prove it to me. So I graph this. Negative 3, negative 2. Boom. Okay. Now, how do I prove it? Well, I graph these guys. So I'm going to make one green. And if I remember, y equals mx plus b, right? then I can graph this really easy because this is my starting point. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where I start. And then I go up 2 and right 1. And then this goes down. Okay? And then the next one I'll make red. And it starts at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it goes up 4. And right 1. And this goes down and meets right there. And that's where they intersect. Does that make sense? Okay, and on your graph, it's going to look a lot better. Believe me. It's going to look a lot smoother. That's it.